Behind this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a box in FreeCAD. So if you want to create a box, you need to create a new empty file, and after that you need to change mode from part design to part, and then you have here a lot of really useful settings that you can use to create this box. I recommend you to click on this one icon. It is option that will let you to create a cube solid, and how you see box has been successfully created here. Of course, you can edit the dimensions of this box if you will go to model settings and you will click on cube. You will be able to modify length or width of this box. For example, I will type here maybe 7 millimeters, and the length will be successfully changed to 7. Of course, then we need to change width to 7, and we need to modify height to 7 if we want to do it. So I type here everywhere 7. So in this way you can create cube or box in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.